Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.
Tout, all, tout, all, or everything. I have to think about everything. Je dois penser à tout. J'ai tout mangé. I ate everything. Because food is good. Oh yeah, tout is for object. If it's for people, like all the people, it will be tous. Grand, tall. Grand, tall. I'm not tall. Je ne suis pas grande. Un grand arbre. A tall tree. Petit, small. Petit, small. A small snail. Un petit escargot. It goes like this. Tout petit, tout petit. So small, so small. Bonsoir. Good evening. Not good night. Almost good night, but not. Bonsoir is also a greeting you can use when you leave or when you enter someone's place. For example, if you go in the evening to someone's house or party, you can say, bonsoir tout le monde. Bonne nuit. Good night. Good night is bonne nuit. Person sleeping next to you. Bonne nuit. Or to your family when you go to sleep. Oui. Yes. Yeah. Oui. You also say yeah. Maybe you've heard oui, oui. Like French people often do this. Oui, oui. It's also a cartoon for children. Oui, oui and his little car. You should try and watch it in French. It's very educative. Non. Non, non. You have oui, oui and non, non. We often say them both. Just use yes and no. Oui et non. Vouloir, to want. I want to rock right now. Je veux rocker maintenant. Je veux rocker maintenant. Sounds so lame. I want candy. Je veux des bonbons. What do I want? Everything. I want lasagna. Je veux des lasagnes. I'm not Garfield. Venir, to come. Tu dois venir t'amuser avec nous. Please come play with us. Come to Mundo. Ta-da! You can come with us. Tu peux venir avec nous. Is the way French people will invite you. So yeah, sure, come. Ouais, viens. Devoir, must. Devoir is also homework because it's something you must do. It also means duty. It's an eclectic word. You can use it for so many things. You have to do your homework. Tu dois faire tes devoirs. Je dois faire la vaisselle. I have to do the dishes, or else it stinks. Prendre, to take. You can take the train, prendre le train. Or you can take something, prendre quelque chose. You can take your time, prendre son temps. Lazy. Monde, world. Monde, world. To travel around the world. Voyager autour du monde. I like traveling around the world. The World Cup, la Coupe du Monde. Enfant, child. Enfant, child. To adopt a child, adopter un enfant. I think it's a better solution for the world. When you're a child, you go to school. Les enfants vont à l'école. Ou quand on est un enfant, on va à l'école. Fois, time. Fois, time. It's like multiplier, like 2 times 4, 2 fois 4. Or time, like the number of time you do something. I went 2 times to see this movie because it was so good. Je suis allé voir ce film 2 fois parce qu'il était trop bien. Be careful with the writing on this one because there are many words that can be pronounced fois, but with different ending. Moment, moment. Take just a moment. Or like it will take a really short amount of time. Ça va prendre juste un moment. Depending on how you say it, actually, it can vary. Because if you say like, ça va prendre un moment, it means it will take a long time, dude. You better be patient. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more French words and we'll see you next time. Bye. French people be so fancy. Allez, let me grab you. The end.